Hi, this is Mrs. Sek. This is a review on linear functions. I would like you to watch this video before you attend the live class or the pre-recorded class on Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. So what is a linear function? A linear function increases or decreases by the same amount per unit. A linear function can be expressed in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx+b. Slope is the rate of change, m, and y-intercept is what you begin with, which is b. How do you find slope from a situation? So Miss Sek has $100. She spends $20 every 3 weeks. So Miss Sek has $100. She at week 0, and then I'm skip counting by 3 for the weeks, and then my money is subtracting by $20 for the money. So my function is, my y-intercept is 100 because I begin with $100, and then my rate of change, which is slope, is -20/3 because I'm spending $20 every 3 weeks. So the function is the change in y over the change in x. So my equation is y equals -20/3x plus 100. How do I find y equals mx+b from a table? So here I have a table. I notice the y is adding by 3 and the x is adding by 2. So my y-intercept is 0, 9. So my b is equal to 9. My slope, my rate of change is 3/2 because it's increasing by 3 on the y side and increasing by 2 on the x side. So my m is 3/2. So my function is y equals 3/2 x plus 9. How do I find y equals mx+b from a graph? Well, I notice first that the graph goes through the point 7. So that's my b. So it begins at b equals 7. So that's my y-intercept. And then my slope is, if I drew a right triangle right here, it's going down 3, 1, 2, 3, and right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my slope is -3/4. Therefore, my function is y equals -3/4 x plus 7. Okay? This week, we're going to be talking about how do you know if a function is linear or nonlinear. So a function is linear if you can rewrite the function in y equals mx+b form. So if I have 4x plus 3y equals 5, to rewrite this in y equals mx+b form, we could subtract 4x from both sides and then divide by 3, and it would be written in y equals mx+b form. Basically, we have a y and an x. It's nonlinear if you have something other than a y and an x. So here we have a y, but we have an x squared. So anything that's not just a regular x is going to be a nonlinear function. I'll see you in class on Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. If you have any questions, please email me at tamu.sec@ptcps.org.